Welcome inside the world's largest high-tech banana steam factory, where automation meets precision to ripen millions of bananas every day. Fresh bananas arrive from farms and pass through advanced scanners that check size, color, and quality instantly. Bananas move along high-speed washing tunnels, where gentle brushes and purified water clean them thoroughly. AI-powered cameras and robotic arms sort each banana by size, color, and shape for perfect grading. Bananas are loaded into massive steam chambers, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Inside the control room, technicians monitor ethylene levels and ripening stages to ensure perfect yellow bananas. After ripening, bananas pass through cooling tunnels to stabilize their texture and prevent over-ripening. Skilled workers inspect each banana for consistency and remove any that do not meet strict quality standards. Robotic arms pack the bananas into cartons, apply labels and barcodes, preparing them for export worldwide. Finally, bananas are stored in cold warehouses